Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Hi CK 你好 Hi Quack. Well, okay, Aiden, Trinan, Bradley, Fab 你们好 right? And and Hubert, Flora, Carol, right? Thank you for coming back here. Okay, so well, a little bit of updates here about the Ukraine war and Russia war. Things has turned ugly right now. Okay, so murdering case and also some so-called raping case is still ongoing. Well, I think situation is turning bad. I hope peace in Ukraine and hopefully now things happening this way is going to prolong the whole thing. So currently again. Come back into our forex trading plan today. Okay, so on the 12th of April, we still have to, in this Euro hour, we still have to really keep eyes open of what we are going to trade. All right. Okay. So yes. Okay. So yep. So let's get into my MT4, please. All right. Okay. So yes. Let's see. Okay. What do we have over here today in Aussie CAD? Yes, Aussie CAD yesterday we have some good one that managed to grab some profits, but today after hitting on the support, it went up again. Okay, so can you see it's very struggling, right? Okay, so this is the point that I'm always referring to. I'm mentioning that it's always very struggling over here. Okay, so by looking at this point here, all right. So tentatively, it's going to sell, okay, but it's still being supported. Okay, so it's being supported right at the entrance of this. Okay, as we can see, there's a support that actually becomes a resistance over here. Okay, over here, and now tested, breaks, and coming back to become a resistance. Well, okay, so tentatively for Aussie CAD this way, it looks like it's going to start the ranging very soon. Okay, it's going to start the ranging very soon. So just be very careful when you are going to trade. Okay, Aussie CAD. So today I'm not going to put this into my list. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to give this a miss. Okay, so how about Aussie franc? Aussie franc, right? Out of expectation, it went down yesterday. So now currently I would say that we are in the bear. Okay, but is it in the transition area that we need to pay attention to? Okay, so this is we are actually right now, okay, very good. We have get out of the transition zone and now we are in the bear. Yes, although we are in the bear, however, this is not the right time to trade as well. It's because today this looks like we have when the market opens, okay, for the past 12 hours, it has meet up with the support level. Okay, this is a support level, right? So this support level, as you can see, okay, so this part here, okay, supported, and it has a retracement up there. So unless it has another resistance, which I will be looking at this area. Okay, so it's also very close back to the bear zone. So let's wait for it to retrace first, okay, before we take action. Okay, so Aussie franc tentatively, I'm not going to put this into my list as well. All right. So Aussie yen, yeah, continue the ride on the bull. So still creating a higher support, which is a higher low. So it's in the bullish market right now. So currently by looking at this, okay, so it seems like the bull is still running, so tentatively I'm not going to touch as a seller. As for buyer, you have a good space to go. All right, so tentatively I will still see that there's about 50 over pips to go. All right, so buyers can take note for Aussie yen. All right, okay, so how about Aussie Kiwi? Yes, yesterday it got rejected on the resistance, and now still in the struggling stage of trying to break the resistance. As we can see, we have built up a new higher support. So these are all the support that actually going to give us, a signal of strength to buy. So I'm not going to touch this today, right? Unless it's creating a lower resistance, okay, a lower resistance, then probably, yeah, there may be a chance, okay. So currently, by looking at this right now, okay, we are actually going to buy, okay. I will still see that it's going to buy because of the rejections over here, okay. So I'm going to give this a miss as well. So buyers, take note, you can buy on Aussie Kiwi, all right. Next, Aussie dollar. Let's take a look at Aussie dollar, all right. Aussie dollar, yes, we are in the bear. Yes, for the last week and yesterday, we have a good selling on the Aussie dollar. I hope yesterday in the US market, some of you may get, okay, on the Aussie dollar, okay. So now, is it a good time for us to actually sell right now? I would say that sometimes, when it's in the bear, it doesn't mean that you will sell all the way, okay. It doesn't mean that you will sell all the way, okay. All right. So I would say that tentatively, today it may be a retracement, okay. It may be a retracement, okay. So look at this, okay, in H4. Okay, that is something that I want to pay attention to, whereby where is the resistance and support. Since we are in the bear zone, it's very clear that we are supposed to look out for selling. So where is the selling? Okay, so let's take a look. There is another resistance, okay, over here. Can you see there's a resistance here? Okay, so are we very near to the resistance? Yeah, we're actually about 20 pips away from the resistance. If it hits on the resistance without breaking, then very likely we will have a selling opportunity. Okay, we'll have a selling opportunity. Okay, so over here, I guess it's very obvious. Okay, so in this case, it will be creating a downward trend. Okay, so the trending may start. Okay, so however, the support from the resistance to the support, okay, the resistance to support is about 60 pips. 60 of pips, so probably that may be a good chance. Okay, so Aussie dollar, I'm going to put this into my list. Okay, did you realize that recently I have been talking about Aussie dollar? Okay, so yep, that's the trick. Okay, so now we are going into the bear, so I will be focusing in trading the selling for the Aussie dollar. Okay. All right, so probably it maybe keep selling like our pound kiwi, okay, and it will still go down for a little while. All right, okay. So next, Euro Aussie. So now Euro Aussie, we are in the bull zone, correct? We are in the bull zone. So today the bull zone is creating it's still in the bull zone actually. Okay, it's still in the bull zone. So let's see if looking at this in the bull zone. Has it confirmed the bear? Has it confirmed the bull? It has not confirmed the bull yet. Am I right? So since it has not confirmed the bull trend, we still stand a chance that it will come back for a retracement, creating a lower high and a lower resistance that will actually go for a lower low. So where is the resistance that we will be looking out for? Okay. So let's see. Okay. Tentatively, by looking at this, okay, can you see the support over here? It tested, breaks, retesting again. So it also means to say it has a good chance. It has a good chance to sell, okay, from this current situation. We still have, good pips, okay, 80 over pips to go. So Euro Aussie, we may have a good chance to sell, okay. Although we are in the turbulence area, okay, so guys have to be very careful, okay. Let me carefully. Okay, so in H1, all right, it seems like it's creating a new cycle to sell. Okay, it's creating a new cycle to sell right now. So over here, just be very careful. Okay, so if the cycle has ended on any support, okay, then you have to stop trading first and wait for a new resistance in H1 to create a new cycle to sell again. Okay, that means we need a resistance, a red dot. Okay, then we sell. All right. Okay, so Euro Aussie, I will see that there is quite potential that we can take note. Okay, what about EURCAD? EURCAD, all right, EURCAD. So today EURCAD seems like a EURCAD is also EURCAD, yesterday we were talking about this. It's going upwards. All right, but just nice. Okay, we have I guess it's over here. So let's take a look. Okay, the trend is still going downwards. Okay, it's going back into the bull zone to convert and to convert a reversal. And now is hopefully today it may be the day. Okay, it might be the day that it will become a lower resistance compared to this. So let's take a look. Where is the resistance level? Okay, can you see the resistance level? All right, just nice. It's also on the bull. So the entrance of bull. So one support here. Okay, one support over here. So another support. No, it breaks. Okay, over here the support tested and it breaks. Correct. So over here it has been tested once. It's not breaking up, but higher support moving towards the resistance to break. However, there's a false breakout over here and it's not breaking. So considering, I would say that now it's going to retest the support level over here. Okay, the support level. So kind of good, all right, because sorry, the support level should be here. Okay, it should be here. So it should be good because we still stand about 30 pips, around 30 pips to go. So currently, okay, so for us, we have a system here. We can take note when the candle hits on the purple, then we have to be very careful. Okay, so this is a sign here. Right, so EURCAD, yes, okay, we can take note. Okay, EURCAD. Okay, so let's move again. As usual, EUROPAUD. Okay, I'm going to give this a miss. So Euro Yen is still riding on the bull. It's still going very strongly, I guess. Hopefully today it may have a chance to sell, but when it has a chance to sell, it is still selling in the bear zone. So in the bear zone over here, it has a lot of turbulence. Okay, all right. Sawadee krap yo. All right, King Khao Liao Mai. Okay, so over here, and let's look at where's the resistance. This is in the bull. Okay, I think let's forget about this. Okay, but for buyers who want to buy, okay, please wait for a buying signal. Please wait for a buying signal. I think about it should be above. Yeah, it should be right here. Okay, this is the buying signal area. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's skip Euro Yen for sellers and let's move Euro Kiwi. Okay, Euro Kiwi. Okay, today we are having a pair lower resistance, a lower resistance, now creating a lower resistance today. Well, it seems like it's going for a bear. Am I right? Yes. Okay, so it still continue the bear. So right now, so I'm going to look out for the resistance level. Okay, so this resistance, this is the resistance level that is actually already hits. Okay, and hover around, tested but not breaking, and it's now coming back here. Support, no change. Okay, support has no change. So very likely I will see that it will come back for a retesting. Okay, so we'll come back for a retesting to sell. All right. Okay, yeah, it has been retraced for quite a number of days. All right, since the beginning of April. Then it's now it's finally the retracement ended and coming back to sell. Okay, so it will continue the prevailing bear trend. So it looks good. Okay, it looks good. So that's well, I would say that probably another resistance appears with below the resistance area that creating a lower high. Okay, a lower resistance. So estimated it should be around this area. Then it breaks this, come back and hits on this resistance without breaking, then it will start selling from here. All right. Okay. So yeah. So we can pay attention to Euro Kiwi. Okay. Euro Kiwi. All right. Okay. So Euro Kiwi. Yep. That's what we are going to see. Okay. And next to go, Euro dollar. Let's take a look at Euro dollar. Euro dollar, of course, is have been retesting. Okay, so good. We have been trading on Euro dollar as well. Am I right? So now the retesting is very near to the support. Okay, the support still stands here. correct? Yes, no change. All right, so resistance, no change as well. So we are in the middle of nowhere. So, but one thing, you have to be careful. It seems like today, in this 4-hour session, euro dollar although is in the bear, but it looks like it's creating a support here, a higher support. So it's also very contradicting in the dilemma stage. All right, so it may give some issue here. All right, so please be very careful when you are trading with this. So what I will do for euro dollar, you can see there's a support up here. Okay, a minor support in the H1 for the new cycle. So I want it to break this support first. Okay, break this support, then retrace upwards to test the previous support, which will become the resistance eventually. Then we will start trading. Okay, so yes, euro dollar. Okay, since it's in the bear, I will tweak my mindset over to the strategy. How am I going to do? All right, so yeah, I'm going to short after it breaks the support here. Okay, remember. Okay, so 1.08708. Okay, all right, so that's for euro dollar. Okay, so that's for euro dollar. Then move. Okay, so how about pound Aussie? Pound Aussie. So pound Aussie today looks like in the bear. So pound Aussie in the bear, running the bear and running the bear. So lower resistance, and this resistance has been tested. Now it has been tested right now. So resistance has been tested. What's next? So there's no more trending market. Okay, no more trending market. Trending market like this are lower resistance, but now it has tested the resistance. So support testing the resistance. So let's see, are we on the right resistance? Yes, we are. Okay, so currently it will tell us that the general strength, the retracement coming to the end. So we are going to sell down. Okay, so this is the support level. Okay, this is a support level. So along the way there are many supports. Am I right? So one thing again, let's wait for a new resistance. Okay, let's wait for a new resistance around this area. Okay, around this area. All right, then we start selling to the purple line. We have about 80 pips. Okay, looks good. Okay, so it looks pretty good. So I'm going to take this in. Okay, pound Aussie, right? Pound Aussie. Okay, so pound Aussie, right? So now pound CAD. Pound CAD. Pound CAD is at the verge whether to from the bear now converting to the bull. Well, will it go into the bull right now? I'm not sure yet because the direction is not that clear. It's not that clear yet, but looking at it, it is a higher support cannot continue. Okay, EURCAD, I think I will give this a miss today. All right, sorry, not EURCAD, it's pound CAD. Okay, pound CAD will give this a miss today. It's not clear. Okay, as a full-time trader, I need money, I need profits, I need TP for my living expenses. So anything that is shaken is 50-50%. Okay, then I just give this a miss. Okay, all right. Okay, so pound franc, let's take a look at the trend today. Pound franc over here, downward trend going to the bull. So going to a bull. Finally, yesterday was also a surprise to me. So it's actually coming back. It's coming back here. Okay, so now it's testing on the support. And well, since that's the case, I think I'm going to give this a miss. Okay, all right. So don't take risk for that. All right. So pound yen. Let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen looks like we are still on the bull run, huh? Okay, we are still moving towards the moon. So tentatively, it's already in the bear zone. Okay, so the bear can go up and come down. So tentatively, by looking at this, it seems like the chances of it going up is higher. Okay. And I wouldn't want to take risks on this because we still have plenty of space to go for buying. So I'm not going to take chance. Okay. All right. So I'm going to give this a miss as well. How about pound kiwi? Pound kiwi. Okay, let's take a look at pound kiwi. Well, pound kiwi Same thing is in the bear zone, bear running in the bear market. Now hitting a support, it retraces upwards. Okay, so if we're looking at this carefully, we are in fact actually on the double bottom, which is a very strong sign of support, which actually pushed through for the 1 whole week of retracement to test the resistance. And this resistance, it is the change. It is the area to change the trend. Okay, so this is very something that we have to pay attention to. Okay, so H4, if it's not breaking and it's still coming down, then I think it is still quite okay. Okay, still quite okay. To go back for a retesting. Okay, to go back for a retesting. So we are on the resistance area. So let's check where is the support. Okay, let's check. Let me check where's the support area. As you can see there, there's one support level here. Okay, after it went up, it has again, go flat. Okay. I use this. Okay, I use this. Right. So over here, by the first touch of my aqua line over here, and then it becomes a support and it moves. Well, obvious, right? Okay, so this is a support level. Okay, so we still have about 80 over pips for Pound Kiwi. Well, looks pretty good, huh? Pound Kiwi. Okay, we still have a chance. Okay, so take note about Pound Kiwi. Pound dollar. How about pound dollar? Right, pound dollar. So pound dollar over here, it has been running in the back to the bull, retested once and breaks. Now we're coming to retest and but fail and going down again to create a lower high, lower resistance. It continued to go down to break to test the support. And now if you ask me, would I want to sell? Okay, so let's check on the support level. Support no change, and I'm not going to trade. I'm going to stay away from pound dollar. Oh, why? You should, since it's in the bear. Well, sometimes it's in the bear, but it can be rock bottom, correct? So as you can see, there's a few tries. One test, it has been rejected. Second test, rejected. Third test, rejected. So the support can be very strong. In a way, that as we can also see, there's a chance that we will have a chance to sell, but we have to break the support. Because it's going downwards, you can see lower resistance creating until here. Okay, so if it's not breaking up, and I think we shall wait. Okay, we shall wait for second half of the day, probably when the candle breaks the support. Okay, when we break the support with a new resistance below, then we trade. Okay, all right. So let's go next. Okay, now dollar CAD. Dollar CAD over here. Okay, let's take a look at dollar CAD, right? Dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, it seems like now U-turn, retracing upwards. Okay, so because of the support level, okay, it has tested and being rejected, and it's now continuing the bull. Well, is it a bull trend? I wouldn't say that's a bull trend yet. Okay, let's check on H4. Where is the resistance? Right now, are we on any resistance here? I would say previous support. Tested, break. Resistance now becomes support. Okay, so unless dollar CAD it breaks into the resistance area, retest the resistance, then we can sell. Okay, this is for dollar CAD. If not, then a bit difficult, huh? Okay. All right, so okay, then I'm gonna give this a miss since it's not in the zone that I want. Alright, so for dollar franc, it's still very obvious that we are going for a bull run. Yesterday is a retracement day, and today we are going for a bull run too. So very obvious, the trend is still on the upward trend. Okay, so for dollar franc, I'm going to give this a miss, so I'm not going to take this in. Okay. What about dollar yen? Dollar yen, very obvious. We are still taking on the right to the moon. Okay, Elon Musk is still waiting for me up there. So I'm not going to do any tweeting right now and with my dollar yen. So I'm going to put this aside. Okay, I'm going to put this aside. All right. So yeah, skip this. Buyers also skip this because we are very near to the resistance. So tentatively, I don't see a point. Okay. Right. So next to go for my Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, well. Okay, so Bitcoin over here, the support levels here. So over here, I think this is really very close to the support already. Okay, so we got to take a look. Okay, we got to take a look. Huh? All right, this Bitcoin here, the price is very close. All right, it's very close, and this may be the support. Right, Riano, Roger, and Aiden. Right, Aiden. Okay, so yes, people are getting into the coins, cryptocurrency. Bitcoin against the dollar today, it looks like they have found their support. So they are likely, okay, let me see. Okay, likely there'll be a chance, okay, for a buy. I would say that may not be, okay. May not be. Okay, not yet. Today may not be a buy day. Okay, so just pay attention just in case, all right, because I can see there's still a resistance up here. That's why there's a rejections, all right? Okay, so please be very careful, okay? Sawadee-krap, Gong Sim. Gong Sim, huh? Okay. Or I just call you Gong will do, huh? I love Gong Mak Mak. Sashimi Kung. Oh, I miss that so much. Okay, and nevertheless, I will be there soon. Okay, so guys, that's all for today. All right. Okay, so let's review. What do we have? Okay, let's see what do we have here first. Okay. Okay. Right, so we are going to sell. We are going to sell the following currency pairs. All right, Aussie dollar, right, and Euro Aussie, EURCAD, Euro Kiwi, Euro dollar, Pound Aussie, and Pound Kiwi. Okay, in this four session, I'm looking to sell. I'm looking to sell all these. Okay, so in the next 4-hour session, okay, that may have some changes. All right, so be very careful when you are following all these trade currency to sell. Make sure it hits on the resistance before you start selling. Okay, because I'm also a human being. There's no 100%. There's no perfection. Okay. All right, so guys, I think yes, we have about 20 minutes before the market starts. Get yourself ready, freshen up yourself. Okay, so I'm going to get myself prepared as well. Okay, thank you so much, guys. See you again tomorrow. And tomorrow, yes, that's right. Okay, tomorrow. And this evening, I will be having another session. Okay, for the analysis, and then I will go live again. Okay, for the class. All right. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Good luck in your trading, and see you tomorrow again, or see you later. Okay. Thank you. This is everything from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you again. Apumakra.